Welcome back to AnnieG channel. Today, I will be sharing with you my another dose of stress reliever. The side trip from Lamba, Legazpi City, exit going to Camellia Homes, enjoying the nature, enjoying the view. So join with me. I hope it will help you to release your stress too, as I am also enjoying my side trip in this area. In this area, you can see the rising ecotel or condotel, the first condotel here in Poro, Legazpi City. So, many improvements is ongoing. Very promising economic development is within this area, along with the beautiful nature. I already shared with you this road before. This is the favorite place of some Legazpeños for jogging. This side trip is called nature therapy. The green colors of the trees help us to relax. So this is called nature therapy. And now we are approaching the Camellia homes. There you can see the buildings. The uniform design of the buildings and houses, and the perfect location for the subdivision is this. They are overviewing the Mount Mayon volcano. You can see the view of Mayon volcano, only that it has some clouds covering the perfect cone. Legazpi city is really now improving a lot. Various development is very evident in this region. Okay, here is the favorite area for jogging. Yes, this area is really nice. Going up and down while jogging, walking, and cycling because of the very wide open road. Can you see that? So beautiful. The Lamba Road exit to Camellia Homes, and later we'll be back. It is just for relaxing, a ride for nature therapy. So hey, come on, let's go back. Let's enjoy the view. That overviewing view is the Camellia Homes and the Legazpi City Boulevard. Can you see that mountain? Really nice. The green color really relaxing the eyes of everyone who passing this area. And now we are here again approaching the Lamba area. See that mountain again? The green mountain. This place is really good for walking, jogging, cycling. I can say that this place is still safe for joggers because of beautiful nature. Can you see that? So nice. So this is my way of relaxing, my dose of relaxing side trip within the area because of limited access going to other places of Bicol region. And now, here we are again, the Legazpi City Boulevard. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the short ride within the Legazpi City. Please follow my YouTube channel and please share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog.